Okay, so we're in Maya and we're going to be doing our color sketch in 3D. This is just going to be a crash course, so it's going to be fast. Under Window, Outliner is basically like your layers in Photoshop. And in the Create button, you have NURBS, polygons, cameras, lights. Here we'll create our camera, which is where we're going to look through our sketch. We're going to rename this Shot Cam. And there's the camera. And then here you can see the camera's attribute editor. And if you control A, it goes to channel. So control A back and forth. Here you can see the aspect ratio of the camera. So if you look at our sketch, my drawing is actually at a 2:3:5 aspect ratio. So if you select our camera, change film aspect ratio to 2.35. And then we'll also go to that clapboard, which is render settings. And here we'll actually change to the same aspect ratio. So right now the width is 960. We're going to change this to 2350. And then now the height will be 1000. And that will basically mimic our 2.35 setting. You can see on the bottom, aspect ratio shows it as 2.35. So now under the panel, perspective, shot cam, and you can see on the bottom, we're actually now looking through this shot camera that we created. And if you middle mouse drag, you can also do the same. So now under view camera settings, you can turn on the film gate, which will have that 2.35:1 aspect ratio because we set that up. And then the next thing we'll do is we'll create an image plane. So here we're going to import our sketch. So wherever you have your sketch at, you'll import it usually as a JPEG. And this will basically give us the building block to look at our sketch and build the 3D geometry above it. So here you can see our sketch is fit to the aspect ratio of our camera perfectly. Here's the image plane. And then here what we want to do is the depth on the z-axis. It's too close to our camera, so we want to push it back. So either 1000 or 5000 or 2000, just to push that image plane back in space on the z-axis. And you'll see more of this later.